how you can transfer Viber to a new phone. Now, what I mean by that is how you can back your data up so that you can transfer it to a new phone. So before moving on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also check out more of our video. Now let's just start. First, what you'll need to do is you need to open up your Viber. After you open your Viber, you need to go to the settings section. Now under the settings section, go to accounts. Now there you'll see a lot of options. Just go to Viber backup. Now under Viber backup, backing up your Viber data is important because it enables you to restore your chat history when reinstalling Viber on another iOS device. Now you can back it up right now, or you can even set up auto backup. Now you can choose daily, weekly, or monthly option, or just turn it off. Now this says that you can include photos and videos too, but to save space, you can just not include photos and videos. Now you can back your data up, so while you are reinstalling Viber and another iOS device, that is transferring your while you're changing your phone, you can easily transfer your Viber data. So that is all for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.